Hi everyone, this is Tess Walters with Wave Gel, and I'm going to be showing you this Wave Gel Glow in the Dark number 6. I love it because it is like a blue stained glass window. And it glows in the dark, so it goes on really nice and smooth. As you can see, when I'm doing it over a white tip, it covers really well. Okay, I'm going to put that in the lamp for 30 seconds. I'm going to be using dip powder today for a design idea with Ether Flake number 1 and some rhinestones. Okay, we're going to do one more coat. Okay, we're going to put that in the lamp again for 30 seconds. Next, we're going to apply our shiny No Clean top coat, and we're going to do our art on top of that uncured. So we are not going to cure the shiny No Clean top coat. Okay. We're going to apply this shiny No Clean top coat. And the reason we're doing this is because when you get done curing Wave Gel colors, since they're a true gel, they don't have a whole lot of sticky on the nail left. So I just applied a little bit of the top coat. So this is, we're not going to cure that. This is dip powder number 35 from Wave Gel. And it kind of looks like a hot pink cross over purple. So it's kind of a purpley hot color. And then Ether Flake number 1 has this, if you look around the rim, you can see that purple iridescent look. Oh, I love Ether Flake. I could put that all over everything. Okay, so what I want to do is show you how I mix this. I just take a little bit for one nail. You don't need a whole lot. I'm always a little heavier on the Ether Flake. Okay, so we're going to put this over here. And this is our mix. Ether Flake is actually flat pieces of chrome and mylar. And together they just work so beautifully on the nail. Okay, so let's see, I need my tool again. So over the wet top coat, we're going to apply, I like to apply it in little mounds because that way you don't get the powder spread everywhere by itself. Okay, then I just pat it with the back of my tool so that it soaks into the top coat. But as you can see, it doesn't stick up a lot because the pieces are flat. Okay, now I'm going to put that in the lamp for 30 seconds. Now instead of just a glitter jar, I've got a dip powder and ether flake jar. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to do is use Evolution Clear because it's thicker than most gels and it's going to cover my glitter. Oh, I mean my ether flake. So just take off any excess that you have. And then put your Evolution Clear on. And I'm going to do that before I add my rhinestones just because I want my nail to be smooth when I put on my rhinestones. Otherwise they're going to be all cockeyed. And it all not washes, but it all comes off when you e-file it or soak it off. Okay, and I'm going to put that in the lamp. Okay, I'm also going to use it to put my rhinestones in. I'm just going to work right here in this area. I love this color. Such a pretty color. Okay, let's see. Okay, now we're going to put that in the lamp. But first of all, I'm just going to pull this out so it doesn't look like there's a big pool of anything there. Okay, now we're going to put it in the lamp. So Evolution Clear does not have a shiny top coat. So we're going to put our own shiny top coat on with my No Clean top coat. Okay. I'm going to go up to the stones because this is going to go up the sides of the stones. Now these little stones, you can even go over them if you want to. They're not Swarovskis. But if you're going to use real Swarovskis, you need to make sure that you charge accordingly because they're a lot more expensive than cheapy rhinestones. Now the pink one in the middle, that's a Swarovski. But you can use other cheaper stones with them and it still looks really great. I love that color combination, don't you? Woo! Now here's that same mix that I made over black. Okay, there's the one we made today. Isn't that gorgeous? Hey, if anybody wants to get on this pre-order, I'm going to order these little Genie bottles. I call them Genie bottles. I think they look like a Genie bottle. Anyway, if you want to pre-order one, let me know. And I'll give you all the information. And you can go to my new website, tessnails.com, and you can view the different things that are on there. I haven't loaded everything up there yet because it takes quite a while, but I wanted to, open it up so you guys could start going there and seeing things. So I hope you will share this with your friends, and I'll see you on Facebook. Bye.